Every time a jet takes off, it burns thousands of liters of fossil fuel. Multiply that by 100,000 flights a day, and you get one of the planet's biggest carbon footprints. But what if planes could fly using fuel made from cooking oil, plants, or even garbage, and cut emissions by 80%?
Sounds crazy, right?
Well, it's already happening. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of aviation, how sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, might save both the skies and the planet. So, what exactly is sustainable aviation fuel? It's jet fuel made from renewable sources, like waste oils, algae, or even industrial emissions. It's designed to replace conventional jet fuel without changing engines or aircraft. The result? Up to 80% fewer CO2 emissions across its life cycle. Aviation produces around 2 to 3% of global carbon emissions, and that number's rising. Governments are now demanding greener skies. The International Air Transport Association expects SAF production to double by 2025. Airlines like Emirates, Delta, and British Airways have already flown test flights powered partly by SAF. Here's where things get exciting. Some companies are literally making fuel from captured CO2, while others use algae farms that turn sunlight into jet fuel. In Japan and the US, researchers have even produced SAF from household waste. It's like turning trash into takeoff. Sounds perfect, right? Well, there's a catch. SAF costs up to 3 times more than normal jet fuel. Production is still tiny compared to global demand. And scaling it up without harming the environment, like cutting forests for biofuel crops, is a tough balance. But the momentum is unstoppable. Airports are building on-site SAF plants. Governments are offering incentives. And with new tech like synthetic fuels from renewable energy, the day might come when every jet takes off guilt-free. The next time you board a plane, remember, its fuel might come from your kitchen waste. Sustainable aviation fuel isn't just about flying, it's about flying without leaving scars on the planet. The sky's still the limit, but now, it's a lot greener.